the Clemens Bungard House, built in 1870 in the vernacular and Queen Anne Victorian style. Captain Oliver M. and India E. Clemens built this house in 1870. Beginning as a simple vernacular Victorian house, it was upgraded to the Queen Anne Victorian style. Oliver Clemens spent his life as a devoted public servant. He had been educated in the best private schools of the time. At the outset of the Civil War in 1861, Clemens went to Washington, where he received his commission as captain and commissary from the hand of Abraham Lincoln. At the close of the war, he returned to Parkersburg and was soon appointed deputy sheriff of Wood County by C.H. Shattuck, serving in that capacity for several years. Captain Clemens was also briefly mayor of Parkersburg under the old law. In 1879, Captain Clemens was elected to Circuit Court Clerk, which is a position he filled until his passing in 1902. When the Clemens daughter, Elizabeth and Olive, inherited the house, they turned it into a duplex. Extensive exterior remodeling took place, including the moving of porches and adding a second level to the Queen Anne round porch when it was moved to the left side of the house. Neither sister married, and they continued to live here until their deaths in 1929 and 1974, respectively. Olive Clemens, the youngest of the 5 Clemens children, was a dedicated volunteer at the Humane Society and left much of her estate to that organization. The house has undergone many changes in its lifetime. An invoice describing the 1891 edition of the first indoor plumbing is in the current owner's possession. They have completed many repairs and improvements to the house, as well as returning it to a single-family home.